Hey everyone, welcome back to Ionus Tech. If you thought Motorola was done with flagship phones, think again. We have some massive leaks about their upcoming beast, the Edge 70 Ultra. Let's dive into what's coming. Famous tipster Evan Blass is back with a huge report. It looks like Motorola is working on a new device codenamed Urus. This is expected to launch globally as the Motorola Edge 70 Ultra. This is a big deal because Moto skipped the Edge 60 Ultra entirely. So this new phone will be their first major non-folding flagship in years. It's designed to sit right at the top of the lineup, just below the foldable Razer Ultra 2026. Now let's talk about the engine inside. The leaks confirm that the Edge 70 Ultra will run on Qualcomm's brand new Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset. This chip is a powerhouse. It is built on a 3nm process and features an Orion CPU with speeds hitting 3.8 GHz. Compared to the older Gen 3, this new chip offers much better multitasking and handles heavy workloads with ease. Gamers, listen up. It also comes with an updated Adreno GPU for stable gaming performance while using less battery. Plus, the new NPU is designed specifically for on-device AI, making features like voice recognition and generative AI faster than ever. In terms of specs, the Edge 70 Ultra is shaping up to be a monster. Rumors suggest it will pack 16 GB of RAM and come with Android 16 right out of the box. For the display, expect a crisp 1.5K OLED screen. And around the back? Leaks point to a powerful triple camera system that includes a periscope telephoto lens for those high-quality zoom shots. Early benchmark scores are already out, showing over 2,600 in single-core and over 7,400 in multi-core tests. That puts it right in the top tier of performance. So, when can you buy it? The phone is expected to launch in China first, likely named the Moto X70 Ultra. For the rest of us, a global release is expected in early 2026. As for the price, considering the high-end specs and the new processor, it will likely land somewhere between $800 and $900. What do you think? Is Motorola back in the flagship game? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, hit that like button and subscribe to Ionus Tech for more tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.